So this is a new day. Welcome to anyone because you are not watching this. But let me put this in a better position. As I told you yesterday, today I am defining the project and maybe creating some user stories for this new app. This new app, I'm gonna explain it to you. What's the use of this new app? But the thing is that today we are creating this. I haven't decided yet which technology I'm gonna use. I'm thinking about maybe the most traditional technology, PHP with JavaScript. And on the other hand, I would be working on with React and also with Next because I know a little bit of Next. And I still as it would be developed, it would will be developed by AI mostly. It could be any of them. Uh, the decision here is the deploy of that web application because I have resources to host this website or web application within a cPanel, like the most basic um, server that is used to host PHP and and that kind of technology website. And in the other hand, if I decide to use Next and React, I would be needing to build a structure for that. Uh, maybe at the end of this live or maybe tomorrow, I would be deciding that also in live, like comparing both situation and deciding which one is the best for my project right now. I would rather do it with React just because I need to put into practice that knowledge. I need to practice more about React and Next, but it depends. Uh, I need to figure it out. But right now, today, we are just describing again the project and also giving it like a shape, like uh, what we are building and some user stories so we can develop some stuff. I think one of the first story that we will be completed is the one where we decide which technology we are using, and also looking for solutions of how to use that kind of technology. Because if I don't have the practical experience with that, um, well, it would be challenging. And I think that's the idea of this, of me going live and recording this hour. That's another thing that I would like to tell you, the future viewers of this stream and myself, that my first two videos and streams were about half an hour, and that's okay. But as I want to record everything, like the whole process, and I want to invest I mean, about an hour doing this, I should take this live until 1 hour. Like it should last 1 hour. So it's not like I'm only working half an hour on this project, but the whole hour. And in general, you will find in this video not only me developing. I think that's the the less important part of it, but the what I want what I want to show you is how I think about it, how I take the project and I make this project a reality, like finally a product that is gonna work using the technology and the methodologies that I already have and I have developed through uh, all this year developing. And one thing that the first important thing, and this is something that I want to share with you, because maybe you are watching this hopefully one day and you don't know how to start, and you are like trying to get it perfect before launching whatever you are doing. In my suggestion, my advice is not to do that. If you are a very technical person, you can see this as you are developing and a minimal viable product. So it doesn't need to be perfect, but it needs to have uh, the features enough so you can test and you can iterate over it, and maybe pivot if the idea leads you to another place. Me myself, I am doing this with this project. It's like my my minimal viable product is this one. It's me sitting here with a camera and trying to build this stuff. And through this experiment, I'm gonna see if this is exactly what I want to do, and what I need to do, or if I need to make changes on what I'm doing in order to get to what I want. I'm being honest with you. The purpose of it is to show this in position, like rank myself as a professional in the areas of the web development, but more. I mean, I would like to be part of the leadership of things, like the one creating, like the one taking the decision and guiding the project. So that's why I'm showcasing all the projects that I'm working on. Well, I think that that's a great introduction for this live. And in general, that's what we are doing right now. So I'm gonna use a document. Hopefully this is good. Like the sound is good. Uh, Let me give me a moment because I need to check something here. Yeah, I'm gonna share the live with myself. Maybe I can just go to YouTube and see if I can watch the. Uh, oh, okay, yes, I can do that. Let me see if I can hear myself. Yeah, perfect. It is good to go. So first of all, we are defining the web uh, application that where I am going to develop. So I'm gonna share with you this document we can all see what it's all about. Right now, I just use a very, I would say, generic title for my app, just because I don't want to think about it, because I mean, it is not fully shaped, so I need to think about that. But the first of it would be well, in my Jira, I name it as a ready or not. So ready or not, an app to track your pro, progress. So definition. I think I would stop it here because I need to to call some clients. Sadly, And yeah, but it was a good this slide was a good introduction to what I'm gonna do. But the truth is that if I need to answer some calls and all the stuff, I would need to stop recording and to stop the stream. So that's the case right now. So uh, I cannot like focus if I need to answer the phone. So I'm gonna answer that call, and then I will come back for more. So stay tuned. Bye.